again.
You have appeared before the screening committee. How was the exercise?
It was like every other well-organized screening, where at least they went through the documents that we are supposed to present, and that was it.
Okay, so can you talk about your chances in clenching the ticket of your party? I mean, you're going to be contesting against people like Atiku Abubakar, who you had.
My chances is just for the delegates to decide. I'm not going to impose myself on them. My chances is for the delegates to reflect on the nation and decide what do we do to guarantee a future for our young ones.
Sir, do you still believe that the party should go by SYMFONI?
Whatever the party do, for me, is to care more what Nigerian people are looking for. How do we create a future for the teeming, unemployed Nigerian youths and pulling Nigeria out of hunger?
What are your thoughts?
It's very simple.
What are your thoughts on Zone?
The party have the final say. I can't have a thought. I'm a member of a party. If the party says this is where they want the party to go, if you're a member of an organization, you respect that organization. And that is why I said, whatever we do, the most critical thing is, what do we do to put Nigerians out of poverty and create a future for teeming unemployed youths of Nigeria? We must change our polity and change to what other nations are doing, and that is building a better nation for their people. We can't go on going around and around things that are yesterday. Let's think about tomorrow. Tomorrow is how come a great nation like Nigeria is not doing well. Simple, change it from consumption to production.
Except there's just one question. A lot of people have had different descriptions and adjectives to describe this screening in very short words. So how would you describe the screening process?
Very good. Excellent. Man by people that are competent and ask the relevant question.
What did you have to submit?
Everything.
Like what?
All my certificates and my tax clearance, showing that I pay tax as a Nigerian.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.